Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at a 2-in-1 card reader case from Pgytech. Now this is the CF Express Type B case. Now I've seen these pop up on social media quite a bit, and I recently got myself one on a Prime Day sale. So let's take a look and see what we have here. The Createmate features a USB 3.2 Gen 2 chip that offers transfer speeds of up to 10 GB per second. This device is made from aluminium alloy and has a removable silicone protection cover. It also has an IP54 rating to protect against dust and water. It has two separate readers for CF Express and SD cards. You can easily connect to your devices via the USB Type-C cable. If you don't want the rugged look, you can slide out the silicone cover and have a more premium looking device on your desk. These little silicone additions help keep your card secure. If your laptop or PC does not have a Type-C port, then you would need to get yourself a USB Type-C to Type-A adapter. The Createmate is quite pricey when compared to other CF Express card readers, but since this serves two functions and is incredibly fast, this makes it a great option, especially if you are always on the move. And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.